Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to buy Kaito coin. So guys, before start this video, I'm not financial advice. So guys, do your own research before buy any cryptocurrency. So guys, this is my disclaimer and let's get started. First guys, open your this token listed on live drift trade. This is drift trade. What you have to do, open drift trade and click connect, and you should be connected with your Phantom wallet. This is the Phantom wallet, guys, and write your password here, guys, as you can see here. And after that, click connect. And this is the first step you need to do. And after that, guys, what you have to do, select this option and click close. Click this option and search for markets. For example, Kaito, this is the coin. And after that, click on understand. And from here, guys, trade size, you have trade size, select USD to buy, and you make sure you have enough money and write your amount you want to purchase. For example, $10 here, as you can see here, guys, or ladies, you have limits. Choose the amount here and continue, click deposit and continue your transaction. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.